Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use compressor in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, first you need to drag and drop your video with an audio to the timeline, and then you need to click on your video. Now we will play this video to check how it works before the editing. So let's play it. It is audio and video simple track special for tutorials 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. Okay, so now if we want to use compressor, we need to go to Effects tab, and here on the search field we need to type something like compressor. Then you can find it on the volume and the dynamic settings. I recommend you to drag and drop compressor and expander to our video or audio. And then if you will change position of this indicator to the start, and if you will click on your audio, you'll be able to check the settings of the compressor in effects and composition stack options. And here, of course, you can adjust attacks, delays, and softness settings. But if you didn't use this option before, I recommend you to adjust only gain option. For example, you can decrease this value. So now let's play the video with the audio and let's check the effect. It is audio and video simple track special for tutorials 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. So how you see, the effect may be really easy heard. So if I helped you to use compressor and edit your audio in Kdenlive, remember to send me a tip using thank you option on YouTube. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my tutorials.